Hello, willkommen. Hi. This is the junior suite at the Flemings Riverside in Frankfurt. When you come in, you get like a little living room action, double windows over here. To your left, you've got some Nespresso, just 3 capsules, some teas, peppermint, English breakfast, and red berries. Strawberry and raspberry flavor, looking forward to that. And just your little Nespresso maker. No water in there, but you do get a little gift of natural, I think this is sparkling water though. 2 windows, nice big, very comfortable couch. Yeah, this is cozy. We got this cool view out here. We don't know what it is yet, but we probably will know in a couple of days. I'm assuming some kind of church. But Frankfurt was also pretty devastated by World War II, so you got a lot of brand new and then some old. I mean, I'm gonna need you to give the commentary on the size of the TV.
That's about a 44 inch.
See, I would have said 32. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff floating in here because we opened everything. Bunch of storage in here. Little refrigerator. Very cold. It's not stocked. And then more storage. And then you've got a little like coat rack when you first come in. That's cool. The wallpaper is a fun texture. Our shoes. As you can see, we are fans of the On Clouds. We have the same ones. And then in here, you can close that off. Another little coat closet or coat rack. It's probably gonna be our towel rack. Tiny shower on the left. It's got some hair and body wash and hand and body wash in there. But look at all this storage. We can put things up there. Unlike our last Airbnb. More towel pegs right here. And then just a toilet in here. Maybe, no bidet? No bidet. I don't know why we have a hot and cold over here though. We'll figure that out later. Okay, vessel sink, not too bad. A blow dryer, a Remington, iconic 2000. My favorite thing that has ever been. Oh, and it lights up itself. It's not a great light, but there you go. Oh, don't zoom in too hard. Got a little chair to do a little vanity work, a little stool, some towels, two towels. No face towels. Europe doesn't do face towels. Like I brought my own face towels because I remembered from last time. Because I like to use a face towel to wipe off my face wash. That's how I clean it. Okay, moving along. Oh, there's another temperature control in here. It's 18 degrees already. It was 23 degrees when we got here. Celsius. 5 Celsius is the coldest we can make it. Got a nice little closet in here with I don't think it's big enough to hold our laptops, but that's okay. Ooh. She found him. Oh yes. We're coming up on some slippers on this trip, guys. Some Fleming slippers ×2 and robes. Yes, of course I can. They're nice, big terry cloth robes. They don't look like they have any branding on them. Just regular old terry cloth. This is number 461, so don't take it home. And some laundry bags. They do have a laundry list here. But we have access to a washer and dryer, so we will not be using that this time. Fluff. We've got a reading light, an actual lamp, and one outlet on this side. It's got like kind of the 2010 trend where you did this thing, which I'm fine with. That's fine. Oh, there's another outlet right here. I wonder if there's one behind that chair. There's a chair that your backpack is on. There's another outlet right here. And then identical on the other side. I love when they do identical so that you don't have to fight over outlets. Nice thick curtains. We have 2 big windows in here too that have closed themselves off. And we're facing, I don't know, apartments maybe? Looks like apartments or hotel. Looks like apartments. There's plants in there. In everybody's windows. You don't generally have plants. And then look at how cute. Little books. Little bookcase with some books in it. Well, let's see how dark it is when we...
It's got a 50-inch TV here.
Yeah, this is a nice big TV. We'll be, maybe. We like to leave a TV on just for like noise. Probably turn this on later, and it is a, no. Not a telescoping one. It says no, ma'am. All right, and a chair to put some shoes on later. Back out to our sunny living room. Yeah, it's already down 3 degrees from opening the windows. Yeah, we're at the end of the hall. This is the highest junior suite they had. And they do the hotel card trick, so, but this is just a regular blank card.
Oh, turn it off.
No, turn it back on. All right, that's it. That's the hotel tour. That's the room tour.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.